Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Snapchat streak emojis. Very, very simple to do. Now, I'd really appreciate if you guys like this kind of content, if you guys would consider subscribing, as I have daily content for technology and just iOS tutorials and stuff like that, as well as liking this video if it does help you out. Anyways, to get right into this video, all you have to do is open up your Snapchat and get it open. Once you're in Snapchat, all you want to do is go to the top left of your screen where you see your character icon there. And then once you're on here, go to the top right corner where you see the settings gear, click on that, and then scroll down to where you see additional services and it says manage. You want to click on manage, and then here you will see friend emojis. So if you go ahead and click on that, you will then see all the friend emojis for all the different things on Snapchat. So like super BFF, BFF, besties, BFs, mutual besties, mutual BFs, snap streaks, and pinned conversations. So now to change the emojis for any one of these, you just want to click on it. So for Snapstreak, for example, you just click on Snapstreak and you could change it from the fire emoji to any one of these emojis that you would like, which is really, really cool. So let's just say if I want to change it to the tongue emoji, I can go ahead, change the tongue, back out, and you will see my snap streaks will all have the tongue emoji on it, which is really, really cool. And you could also do it for any one of these other things up here as well. So it's a very, very cool thing that you're able to change. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys that you guys can change this. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.